Maybe. Okay. Two teams. What should my name be? Yes. Yes. You should feel honored. You better check yourself if you wreck yourself. No, I honestly used to say. What did you say? Oh, well. My nickname was going to be. Hi. Okay, let me play a muddy. I think I'm not doing both the side. Welcome. Nice. Hello. Okay. A minute 20 in and we're just now starting the game. With an advertisement. Wonderful. Wonderful. And I got a message. Oh. In the Bell's Discord. General. Minority and mentions. Minority in general, you idiots. Oh my god, that's stupid. I just showed on Discord too. Oh god. Okay, who's first place in your game? Oh, one different games. Mine's MG Mickey Pro 360. Yay! I'm like 156. I know I'm such a high rank, ain't I? An easy way to like go into a different game is to just straight up reset the page. But no walls swimming in the ocean because of the commotion. Because they used to was okay, for a second I thought that was blue, but it was red. Like, what do you mean modded? Are you modding? Like, what? What? Oh, my number one guy? Keiki Gang Square. Whoa, I just told you who's number one. K-E Gang. G-A-A-A-N-G. You can't find mass, but mass is everywhere. That's kind of like saying it's Mexico and Spain. Okay, so I was on Twitter today, and someone said that they don't like the U.S. government and that they're moving to California. Yes, they are going to move to California because of the U.S. government, okay? Which, in my opinion, why? And second of all, California is still in America. Like, what? How stupid you gotta be to realize that California is still in America. Did you hear me? Sure, what do you want to play? Huh. What about... Sure. I just realized I have no drink. I'm going to die. I'm going to copy this room link, okay, and send it to you in Discord. Paste. There you go. Well, I sent you it, okay? So just yeah. Let me know when you click the link. Okay, then let's play. They call me Doge. Oh, Jesus Christ, they just fucking spawned. Yourself? Yeah, there's like a warship. Well, I bombed it. Wait, what? No, I don't want to download shit. Good, one more warship left. Okay, why is people trying to kill me? We gotta take out a warship! Are they not smart? I like jerks. Okay. No, I didn't. My name's Doge. Oh, there must be another Doge because I did not kill anybody by the name of Yosa. Oh my, okay, I'm done with this game. I'm playing something else like this. Okay. I'm gonna play Splex. If I can spell, because I put slicks.io, well then. You know what's weird is that when you first get it, like the record software, I'm gonna send you a link to it in Discord. When you get the recording software normally with the normal package, you can only record 15 minutes, which is kind of dumb. In which case that means I only have 4 minutes left. So yeah. I sent you the link in Discord. Oh, I didn't press enter. That's what. I'm not smart. I'm not smart. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, yeah. Yes. 3 more minutes left. My Google. 3 more minutes left. I'm gonna upload this and make a part 2 to it once we die. Yeah. I'm record it. Okay, I'm gonna record it, upload it, and make a part 2 because I can only record for 15 minutes with screen something. I forget the fucking name. Wait, Orange. Get out of here. I need someone just ran into themselves. Someone keeps running into themselves. Orange just kept running into themselves. Purple's there now. Yes, we got him. And you just ran into me. Nice. GG, bro. Dude, this PI dude just keeps running into himself. It's kind of hilarious. Wow. It's almost over, literally, like... 5 more minutes. I mean, not 5 more minutes, 5 more seconds.